All right, so we're replacing the heating element on the Kitchenaid Superba oven. That looks like that. The heating element you can't get to from the inside because there are no screws inside. So if you need to find the heating element, it's hidden and there are no videos online. So I'm making a video on how to do this. The heating element is accessed from the side. So, number one, of course, turn off the power to the machine. I already went down into the basement and turned off the electricity at the breaker to the stove. There's 2 screws on the back to release this side. You need a Phillips screwdriver. Watch out, dog. Super easy, 2 little screws. The side comes off. In here, in this insulation, there's a hidden compartment. So there's wires here that connect. You gotta pull the wires off the thing that's in there. Mine initially were really hard to get off. You might need some pliers to get the wires off, but they do pull off. Then there's another screw in here. You separate the insulation and you'll see a screw kind of towards the back. And again, it's a Phillips screw. Unscrew that 1 screw. So this whole thing is just a total of 3 screws. Oh, and now you have a picture of a dog butt. That's not helpful. But it's 3 screws. So once that 3rd screw is out, which is like right there in the back, this entire thing, see there's the 2 wires sticking out. Slide it toward the back a little bit, and then it slides out. And that's your part you're replacing, which looks like that. The new part is this one. The only thing we have to do here, let's take this off of here. So I lied, it's not 3 screws, it's 5 screws. But still, not too shabby. Take these 2 out. Get this little thing. And of note, the tabs on this, the back ones go down and the front one goes up. And then I'm putting the 2 screws into the new piece. Settles right in there. Theoretically. Second screw. Nope, I'm fixing something.
Maybe when you're done with it?
Yep. All right. That goes in there. This slides back in there. And then I think the hardest part of this whole thing is trying to just line up that little hole with the screw where you can't see it. But in the grand scheme of things, that's not so bad if that's the hardest thing we're doing, right? Hold on, puppy. Can do this while the dogs are ringing to go outside and the kids are asking to have friends in and all that. It's a quick and easy repair. So then these two wires get plugged into the two little things on the new part. Get the insulation back all around it. I'm obviously not an electrician or a fix-it person, so if any of this seems unsafe, you do you. Do something else. I am just a mom who doesn't want to pay to have someone come to my house to do an easy fix-it job. Okay. Side goes back on. Kind of loops around the front a little and sticks on with two screws. And then we're done. So that was all of 8 minutes. I mean, I haven't fully screwed in these screws, but 8 minutes to swap out the heating element on the oven. Totally worth it to do it yourself. Except that it took 4 hours to figure out where that heating element was. So I've now saved you that 4 hours, and you should buy this part and do it yourself. All right, see ya.